What do you do when the jury is deliberating on your case? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. So now your case has gone all the way to trial. Maybe it's a medical malpractice case or an accident case or a wrongful death case. And now the jury has gone back to deliberate. What do you do in the meantime? The problem is you don't know whether it's going to take 20 minutes. You don't know if it'll take 6 hours or longer for them to reach a verdict. So what do you do in the meantime to keep yourself busy? Well, what you have to do is you're going to be in the courthouse. You're not necessarily going to be in the courtroom, but you have to be in close proximity, because now if the jury comes back with a verdict, you need to be called back in and sit and listen to the verdict. So there's very limited options for you to do. Now, as you're approaching the lunch hour, you'll be wondering, okay, is the jury going to come back before lunch? Well, if not, we're now going to go to lunch. After lunch, you return, and now you keep looking at your watch, wondering, when is the jury going to come back with a verdict? Well, what we typically tell you to do is bring something to read, bring some work to do. And no matter how much you try and focus on work or try and focus on reading, your mind always drifts back to, when's the jury going to come back? What are they going to do? What if? And now you're always preoccupied in the back of your mind with, when is this going to happen and what do we do in the meantime? So there's no great answer to tell you about what to do in the meantime while waiting for the verdict. As the attorneys, we're in the same exact position. We're trying to do work, we're trying to get some reading done, and now in the back of our mind we're trying to think, okay, when is the jury going to come back? Are they going to come back sooner? Are they going to come back later? What's going to happen if? And now we have all these different possibilities that can occur. You won't be able to go far away from the courtroom. You'll have to be in close proximity because you want to be in the courtroom when the jury does in fact come back with their verdict. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding to what goes on during the trial process here in the state of New York. You know, I realize you're watching this most likely because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I do this every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.